Thought we'd take a look at Premier Investments out this morning with its first half update. Sales up 0.5% from the same period last year. Online sales jumping 27%, making up a quarter of total global sales. Markets liking the positive report. Shares up around 5% today, considering many retailers have struggled in the last quarter. Henry, what do you think of the Premier Investments result and the stock?
Yes, cost discipline is very much the Premier Investment story. And I guess part of that cost discipline is the fact that they're not taking any of the landlords' rent increases for gospel and actually fighting back on those to the extent where they're actually closing 4 stores because landlords aren't being reasonable on the readjustment in rents given the fall in foot traffic they're seeing, and some of those are kind of high-profile stores as well. So it's interesting. These guys have really played hardball with their landlords. It has shown in the results. It's a pretty solid result, especially given the challenges that we've seen in the supply chain and all the other aspects. That online side of things is growing well. It's up 4.6% today. Solly Lew once again showing that it is the premier retailer in the country, but it is a question of him playing hardball with his landlords and ensuring that costs don't blow out and he doesn't see these rent increases coming through post-pandemic and no increase in that foot traffic. So for me, it's probably a hold here. It's hard to get really excited about it just at the moment, given the headwinds the market has, but it's a pretty solid result. Cost discipline has been the key to this one. Smiggling the world, pajamaing the world. They have done an exceptionally good job. They are a quality company. No reason to sell this one, but given the headwinds in the market, I'd be reluctant to be chasing this higher at the moment. You may get a chance if there is this cathartic clean out that Andrew's talking about. I've got to say, I feel like I've had a cathartic clean out in the last week or so. So I don't know what we're waiting for is even more cathartic and even more of a clean out. But I think there may be a chance to get this one closer to $26 than $28. But right. We'll see.
Yes, as Henry was alluding to, if you're a parent that has spent a fortune at Smiggle or on Peter Alexander pajamas, being a shareholder in Premier at least gives you a chance to get some of your money back. Andrew, what do you think of the update and Premier?
Yeah, you're right, Koshy. Every time I walk past Smiggle, I'm trying to sort of grab Miss 9 and just sort of take a ride around because otherwise that's the next hour gone. The update was good. Solly Lew is probably arguably the best retailer in Australia. Certainly Jerry Hart would be up there too, but I think Solly probably pips him there. I like it. It's trading well under consensus. It's a PE of around 17 relative to its peers, which is about 21 times. So you do have a little bit of safety there if things were to correct. Henry's right, if we do get the final, and by cathartic clean out, I just want a 5%, really bad day, bang, once and done. So if we want to have one of those days, everything will cop it. But all other things being equal, I'm happy to buy Premier at these levels.
Okay.